You've probably noticed that the digital product space is getting kind of crowded. Everyone's selling something. You got PDFs, templates, courses, side hustles, guides, but most of it just kind of feels fake. And people are flexing all their different Stripe notifications, but no one's really solving anything real. And that's a problem, especially if your main focus is to actually help people. And that's why this video exists. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 things I did to build a digital product that not only sells, but that actually helps people. There's not any fluff, there's no fake urgency, no salesy tricks, just impact that people will pay for willingly. It's been an epidemic recently, kind of like the Diddy epidemic on Instagram. But I've seen so many creators launch digital products just to make money. And when I ask them, what's the transformation that your product promises, then they can't answer me. And that's the problem. You're not selling a PDF or a Notion doc. You're supposed to be selling clarity. You're supposed to be selling confidence. You're supposed to be selling a shortcut so that someone can get to where you're at faster. If you've been stuck trying to make that first sale and you can't, and you've launched something and it just completely flopped, no sales at all, you start to question if you're good enough for this, if it's for you. And I know that pain. But what if the problem isn't actually you and it's just that you're not creating something that people actually care about? Well, that's exactly why I built something called the Digital Income Blueprint. It's not a course, it's a system built as a service that helps you build a product, that helps you sell your product, that helps you build trust, and that helps you do this organically or with paid. It's in the description below if you want to check that out. Now, when it comes to actually selling a digital product, you don't need to go viral. You don't need to be an expert, but you do need a reason, a mission, a cause, and a plan. So when your product is put inside of a real story, something that you've lived through, something that you've actually done credibly, it becomes magnetic and it resonates because people can feel that it's a real thing that might actually get them results. For instance, this right here is Jude. He just tapped in and got Digital Income Blueprint. He loved everything that was in it right away, got it right away, started implementing the strategies. This was someone who already had his foot in the door of making money online, but he wanted to understand more about organic. He wanted to learn how to gain trust of clients, to create something that people actually want, and then how to run ads. And that's exactly what Digital Income Blueprint did for him because all of the modules in there, all the lessons, all the systems, all teach about those things. So I found my ideal client profile, and that's why it was a no-brainer buy for him. Guys, there are a billion ways to deliver a digital product. You got courses, guides, checklists, challenges, coaching sprints. I've done some of those before. The monthly recurring revenue, but your process should become from how you got your results. You need to think about the real steps that you took, the mistakes you made, and then what you wish you had before you accomplish those things. That's what makes your product yours. Again, I didn't make anything until I was fully monetized on YouTube, before I had fully made money online. And still to this day, my product is not directly tailored to making money online. It's tailored to understanding what you need to do next and unlocking your vision so that you can make money online. You won't get anywhere without a strategy and a plan. So with Digital Income Blueprint, you will unlock that entire roadmap that you need to actually make that first dollar online. Now, I was doing a lot of talking, but I understand some of you guys are visual learners. So this is how you can do this organically so that you're not burning money. All right. Step one, obviously choose a store. So Stan Store, Hostinger, Shopify, Wix, etc., etc. I prefer Hostinger. It's very good for beginners. It has a lot of stuff on there that you can use. It shows you how to make opt-in pages, landing pages, the actual checkout page, thank you pages, everything like that. Everything that you will need, you can get that at Hozinger, along with Stan Store. But Stan Store is super basic. I don't really know if I rock with it. Step number 2, create a simple landing page. Make a perfect headline and offer. If you want to learn how to do that, in the description. But you want to basically use something similar to Hormozy's dream outcome thing, where you give them the dream outcome, you give them the time that it would take, and you give them the guarantee or what you know for a fact that you can provide, and that helps you sell because it gives the realistic information that a buyer would need before purchasing something. Step number 3, make the product, or what I like to call it, a transformation. Use ChatGPT and your own life experiences to create a solution to other pains. If you have an idea of what you want to make, you just need to go in ChatGPT and it'll help you craft that idea into like the reality. That's what ChatGPT is really good for. For example, this guy right here, he did not have 51K subs a couple months ago, bro. This video blew up. It's called "You Should Definitely Film Your Boring Life." He was literally just talking about documenting your life in the video, and in the description, he has a call to action. So seriously, pick up the camera and film something. And then he has get video breakdowns, director's comments, and support my work, which is just another call to action to what he does. And then he has get your free trial with Epidemic Sound. That's a sponsor. Get my free camera buying guide. That's his course, or it might be an Amazon thing, affiliation, but it's on Gumroad. So this is his course. He'll probably try to upsell you, which works with a lot of people. And then if you'd like to work with me, then there's his email. So that's a one-on-one coaching, probably high ticket, probably anywhere from $6,000 to $1,000 for however long his sessions run. And you see that came from a simple YouTube video. The video blew up, got him 368,000 views with even a 1% conversion rate. He's making some serious money on it, and he's helping people. Step 4, iterate. Offer your transformation product to friends or family for feedback while you wait for clicks to your page. Because the thing about getting the sale is that actually you're getting real feedback from people who are spending their good money. You want to know what they're going to say. If you aren't getting a sale yet, you haven't gotten a sale, show this stuff to your friends, show it to your family, and see what they have to say about it. Just ask them for their honest opinions. That way you can make adjustments that you need before you even have to deal with customers. Step 5, promote and market this thing like crazy. You can test your offer with a small $5 a day Instagram ad, but there is a better way, and I'm about to tell you guys right now, because while this does work, it costs money, and there's a way you can do this for free and at least get your first couple of sales so that you know your offer is good before you spend all that time making this product and putting all this hard work into it when you know that no one actually wants it. Which leads me to step 6, use YouTube. This is the greatest marketing platform to exist. They pay you, once you're monetized, they pay you to market whatever you're selling. And there are people on this engine actively searching for an answer to their problem. So be their solution. That's why I like to talk about the ideal client profile. YouTube will find who needs the information you're selling or the value, and they'll put those people in front of you. You just have to keep finding them over and over again. That's your ideal client. And YouTube does this the best. Instagram is good for getting it out there, but again, it's real, it's short form. This long form content, bingeable content, people will learn to trust you. Just how like a lot of people have trusted me and told me that, and I appreciate them. And the next step, step 7, is just to repeat this over and over again until you figure out what you want to sell, until you see success and results. And that's how you're going to get your first sale organically. Back to the video.
Now, for the people who actually have made their first sale, or even for the people who haven't, I found this screenshot when I was watching a video last night that actually woke me up to exactly what I need to do as well. As you guys have seen, even from this screenshot, I had 2 really good sales earlier in the week. And I was like, what do I need to do to increase this? Because again, once you sell something, once you sell your product, 1, it's validated. 2, once you get good feedback, you know that it's something that is worth buying. People are happy paying for it. And obviously, the higher your price goes, the more profitable it will be. But even if it's low ticket, once you have that data, then it's more about volume. People think that they get that first sale, that second sale, that third sale, then they need to change something else to make it better, which over time, yes, of course, add to it, make it better. Add things to your page, add things to your website, add things to your products based off of buyer feedback. But the only thing that you actually need to do after finding some success, finding your first result, is to increase the volume, increase the action that got you there. I sold a ton of products through YouTube, through videos, And then I went over to paid ads, is where I also started to see success. So what does that mean I need to do? That means I need to upload my posting frequency on YouTube, continue to make the best videos I can, like I have on my pre-post checklist, and continue to get traffic, as many eyes on my page as possible, because I know that people want to buy Digital Income Blueprint. I'm in market fit. It's something that people want. It's trending, and it's helpful, and it will teach you a real skill, because I've been doing this for over 2 years. So of course I know what I'm talking about. But all I need to do is increase that volume so I can get more people onto my page. That will equal in more buys. Another creator also said that in the month he made $52,000 online, he had 13,000 clicks to his website. 13,000. So for you new digital product creators out there, the first step is creating your product. Create a simple, easy $2 to $7 product, get it done in 3 days, and start promoting it. And the best way for you to promote it is through long form YouTube content. And if you don't know where to start with that, Digital Income Blueprint will teach you and put you ahead of the game very quickly. It's in the description below. But again, I'm only telling you this because I'm offering you a transformation. If you want to start making money online, selling digital products, you need to market it in some way or another. And I'm telling you, the best way to do this is with YouTube. Start making videos that solve one specific small problem that will help your ideal viewer. Make that your mission. I feel like a lot of people have this all wrong. I think selling a digital product online isn't necessarily about making money, but buying back your time. Because I've realized that having the ability to do things when you want to do them and saving your own time is the best possible thing that you can do. And most people chase that income. They want that quick money. And I was doing that too, but it doesn't work like that. Especially with YouTube. It's the delayed thing. You post your YouTube video, mine take 3 days to get pushed. I have to wait to track my data, to see how many people went to my landing page from the video and things of that nature. But the real game is building assets that earn while you rest. And I mean, I can be one to say it. You post a video, you go to bed, that video pops off overnight, and you just get 5 sales. I'll show screenshots right here of me doing that, and it's a crazy feeling because you're actively seeing your passive income come in from delayed gratification. I built my first digital product after feeling like no one would ever pay for my ideas, but they did. And that first sale kind of changed everything, because it proved that I didn't need permission. I just had to package what I already knew. And if you're on the fence or doubting yourself, remember that the solution you've already lived through is someone else's breakthrough. So please go and build it. If you have any questions, if you have any comments that you want to talk to me about, feel free to DM me on Instagram or comment below on this YouTube video. And if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel or running ads so that you can start selling your information and changing people's lives, click that link in the description.